Hello, all the lovely students of mine. Good morning. So, what will you do if you are a manager or if you are a leader in your company? Actually, you control your staff or your workers, right? Yes, I am right, and you are also right. So, today we are going to talk about controlling. So, some people have mind that what is control or what is controlling. So, what are the steps in control process? Number one, time standards. The goal will be set on the basis of time lapse is performing tasks. Number two, cost standard. These indicate the financial expenditure involved per unit, material cost per unit, cost per person, etc. Number three, market share. This relates to the share of the company product in the market. Number four, productivity can be measured on the basis of units produced per man hour, etc. Profitability. This goal will be set with the consideration of cost per unit, market share, etc. Measuring performance. Measuring involves comparison between what is accomplished and what was intended to be accomplished. The measurement of actual performance must be in the units similar to those of predetermined criterion. The unit or the yardstick thus chosen be clear, well defined, and easily identified, and should be uniform and homogeneous thought out the measurement process. The performance can be measured by the following steps. Number one, strategic control points. It is not possible to check everything that is being done, so it is necessary to pick strategic control points for measurement. Income, it is significant control point and must be much per unit as was expected. If the income was significantly off from the expectation, then the reason should be investigated and a corrective action taken. Expenses, total and operational cost per unit must be computed and must be adhered. Key expense data must be reviewed periodically. Inventory, some minimum inventory of both the finished product as well as raw material must be kept in the stock as a buffer. Any change in inventory level would determine whether the production is to be increased and decreased. So, what factor to be considered for a good control? Really very important. So, effective control system have certain characteristics for a control system to be effective. It must be accurate. Information on performance must be accurate. Number two, timely. Information must be collected, routed, and evaluated quickly if action is to be taken in time to produce improvements. Number three, objective and comprehensible. The information in a control system should be understandable and be seen as objective by the individuals who was it. A difficult to understand control system will cause unnecessary mistakes and confusion or frustration among employees. Focus on a strategic control point. The control system should be focused on those areas where deviations from the standard are most likely to take place or where deviations would lead to the greatest harm. What is a strategic control point? Discuss some strategic control point of a company. Some strategic control point is a term used to describe the process used by organization to control the formation and execution of a strategic plan. Discuss some strategic control point. Strategic control involves tracking a strategy as it is being implemented. Premise control. Every strategy is based on certain planning premises or predictions. A special alert control. A special alert control is the rigorous and rapid replacement of an organization strategy because of the occurrence of an immediate unforeseen event. Implementation control. Implementing a strategy takes place as a series of steps, activities, investment, and acts that occur over a lengthy period As a manager, you will mobilize resources, carry out special projects, and employ for raising staff. Strategic surveillance. Strategic surveillance is designed to observe a wide range of events within the outside your organization that are likely to affect the track of your organization strategy. It is based on the idea that you can uncover important that unparticipated information by monitoring multiple information sources. Such sources include trade magazine journals such as the Wall Street Journal, trade conferences, conversations, and observations. So, guys, this is controlling and this is how actually it works. So, today here I going to finish this class. See you in the next class. Goodbye.